Hey guys, welcome to question FM389 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, the graph below shows the number of members that went to Average Joe's gym each day during April. Now I haven't actually drawn out the graph here. Instead what I'm going to do is describe how you would look at this graph and find the information that you're being asked to find. So essentially these questions are usually just sort of gauging whether you're able to read the information that's being given to you. It's not really about manipulating that information or sort of deriving much in the way of meaning from it. It's more just to see whether you are able to recognize what the data being presented to you is. So this might be a better way of showing you, rather than giving you the answer, showing you how to find it if you're struggling with these types of questions. So part A says, how many members went to Average Joe's on the 16th of April? Now, in order to figure this out, what we're going to do is we're going to move along our axis that is labeled date in April until we get to the number 16, because of course that would be the 16th date in April, and we're looking for the number of members that went in on the 16th. So we get to the 16. Once we get to that 16 point, we move straight up until we find the data point for that day. So if we move up from there, you should find a point around the 50 mark. And of course, the answer for part A is 50. And this is done by sight, essentially. So you've got to find the 16th date, find the number of members that went on that 16th date by moving straight up until you hit that data point, and you should find that it sits at 50. Question B that then says, on how many days in April did more than 65 members go to Average Joe's gym? In order to do this, what we want to maybe start by doing is, and you could use a red pen or a different color pen, maybe a green pen if you've got a 4 pen, and you can put a line straight across for 65, meaning that any data point above there should indicate to you that more than 65 people went to the gym on that day. Now, if you have a look at your graphs, you should find 6 data points that sit above that line, which means that on these days, more than 65 members went to Average Joe's gym. So there were 6 days in which more than 65 people went. If you guys have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.